Kia ora tātou katoa, hoki mai anō rā ki te Whānau Reo, ka rau te paku moho kei te ahau. Okay, one thing that makes te reo te kāinga different is that, when you speak at home, you have a window of opportunity, and that window of opportunity sometimes can only be like a second or a split second. And if you don't get what you're trying to say out straight away, within that window of opportunity, within that split second, the time has passed and the person is already gone on their way. Okay, so that's one thing, the window of opportunity, te matapihi. Another one is you're speaking to the people you know the best and the people that know you the best. There isn't any tapu. You know them inside out. You've been there since they were born, wiped their bums, changed their nappies. So the language that you use within your family is a lot different to the language you'll use if you were to be talking to a bunch of strangers, colleagues. So when you're at home, your language is very informal. The word in Māori is opaki. Number 3, when you're at home, you do a lot of things when you're raising your kids. You use a lot of language, phrases and words that you wouldn't use anywhere else. The shower, mowing the lawns, doing chores around the house, disciplining your kids, talking to your kids, instructing your kids, sometimes threatening your kids. But then there are times at home where it is formal or okawa, and you may have visitors, you may have people that pop in that you haven't seen for years, and then it's a little bit okawa. You may do a little bit of a mihi and welcome them into your whare. These are all things that happen within our homes, and that's why te reo o te kāinga is so unique and so important, so that we can raise our children and make te reo normalized while they're young and while they're grown up. Okay, whānau, so that's 3 things that can help you when you're trying to... What you doing? Kei te aha koe. Haere mai, haere mai. There's 3 things for you to think about as you contemplate, as you try, as you endeavour to make your home a Māori speaking home. Nō reira whānau, ngā mihi nui ki a koutou kia kaha rā tātou ki te kōrero, i tō tātou reo Māori, tēnā rā tātou katoa.
Pilots try to Rockefeller hover. Now I go to war like a soldier, yeah. Plus they tried to count me out thinking that it's over, but I got to fight.